Number 1. Eago Smart Mug Warmer and Mug Set. Tired of your beverages cooling down too quickly? This coffee warmer's precise temperature control keeps your drinks at the perfect temp, so every sip is just as satisfying as the first. Not only is it fast, heating up to 175 Fahrenheit in 20 minutes, but it's also smart. Dual infrared sensors ensure safety by automatically turning off when there's no cup on the warmer, and it shuts down after 15 minutes of inactivity or 2 hours without a cup. But that's not all. This set includes a 15-ounce ceramic mug, lid, and coffee spoon, making it a great gift for any occasion. Upgrade your coffee game today with the Eago Smart Coffee Warmer Set and say goodbye to cold sips. Number 2. Phillips Water Go Zero. Bored of bland tap water? Meet your new sidekick, the Phillips Go Zero Everyday Water Filter Bottle. This package packs a punch with the 18.6-ounce stainless steel Phillips Everyday Bottle and 3 filters. An activated carbon fiber filter that zaps away chlorine and pesky particles that mess with taste and odor. Tap water goes in, and out comes cleaner, tastier, and healthier greatness. This isn't just any water bottle, it's your eco hero. With its double-wall insulated body, it keeps your water icy for 24 hours. But the best part, you're making the planet a better place. Number 3. BioLite Alpen Glow. Meet your new best friend for those starry nights and backyard bashes, the ultimate lantern that's here to light up your world. This bad boy delivers 500 lumens of nature-inspired lighting that'll make your campsite or party pop. With a runtime of up to 5 hours on high and a whopping 200 hours on low, it won't leave you in the dark. Plus, it's got a USB-A charge-out port to power up your other devices. But here's where the magic happens. Chroma Real LED technology. Colors and textures come alive, making your nighttime cooking and photography a breeze. With a higher lumen count, it's your go-to for illuminating larger sites and spaces. And guess what? You can shake it to access different color modes, including the festive fireworks mode for those backyard hangouts. Hang it, prop it, or place it, this lantern's got your back with a handy hook at the bottom. Before we proceed, take a moment to guess what our surprise item might be. Share your best guesses in the comments below. Number 4. Magnetic Fluid Bluetooth Speakers. Magnetic fluid is not just a scientific marvel, it's your ticket to an audio experience like no other. Originally crafted by NASA for zero-gravity rocket control, this magnetic fluid has broken free from the lab and is rewriting the rules of sound, aerospace, electronics, and now your music. Introducing the Bluetooth speaker of your dreams, powered by this magnetic marvel. First, it defies connectivity challenges with a rock-solid Bluetooth 5.1 signal. Whether you're in a crowded room or the great outdoors, it stays connected. With up to 8 hours of playtime, it's your trusty companion for adventures. But the real magic? The sound. Brace yourself for a true 360-degree stereo sound with bass that rivals a live concert. And that sleek metallic pearl gray finish? It's not just eye candy, it's practically scratch-proof. But here's where it gets mesmerizing. The magnetic fluid dances to your music's rhythm. And the bass? It's a sonic earthquake, even at max volume, without a hint of distortion. Number 5. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. It's time to put an end to those endless spills and crumbs. Meet the compact, powerful car vacuum that's ready for action whenever and wherever you need it. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with a HEPA filter, it's your go-to for ash, dust, or drive-through food mishaps. Plus, it's got a loaded interior car detailing kit and an ergonomic design. Cleanup has never been this easy. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This vacuum uses your 12-volt aux outlet, and the 16-foot cord gives you the reach you need. No more snagging or struggling to clean the back seat or trunk. Number 6. Dango Minimalist Wallet. Tired of wallets that wilt at the first drop of rain or crumble under adventure's weight? It's time to meet your new sidekick, the ultimate all-terrain slim wallet. This isn't your ordinary wallet. It's like Batman's utility belt, but for everyday essentials. Made from aerospace aluminum and water-resistant D-Tex material, it's designed to thrive in the face of unpredictable days and wild adventures. Worried about security? It's got RFID blocking tech. Need quick access? There's an ID window. With room for 14 plus cards and available in brown and black leather, it's got both brains and beauty. Number 7. Perit Sleep Headphones Wireless. Imagine drifting off to dreamland with a glowing mask. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this sports headband sleep headphones are like a lullaby for your head. They're stretchy, so they fit like a dream. Not too tight or too loose, just right. These aren't just any headphones, they're your sleep companions. Pair them with your tablet or smartphone via Bluetooth and dive into late-night podcasts or playlists. And that 3D contoured design? It's like a fortress against the light, giving you total darkness. Plus, the high-performance battery ensures you sleep through the night. No beeping, no interruptions, just a peaceful slumber. Number 8. Pomodoro Timer. Ever feel like productivity's slipping through your fingers because you have all the time in the world? Distractions, emails, texts, they've all got us hostage. But guess what? We've got the secret weapon to tackle this mess, the TickTime Cube Timer. Imagine this little buddy as your task time guardian angel. It's a countdown and count up timer, and here's the magic. It's as easy as flipping a pancake. Pick your preset time, flip it, and then boom, you're on the clock. Every second counts, and TickTime Cube keeps you laser focused. It's not just a timer, it's your ticket to a more efficient life. And speaking of an efficient life, don't forget about our special surprise item waiting for you. Here's a hint, it provides instant pain relief. Number 9. Anker Soundcore Bluetooth Speaker. 24 hours of non-stop music on a single charge. Whether you're camping, hitting the beach, cruising on a boat, or just chilling in your backyard, this compact wonder has your back. Oh, and did we mention it's water resistant? The best part? It stays connected to your smartphone from a whopping 66 feet away. Don't be fooled by its size. This little champ packs a punch. Number 10. Nebo Slim Work Light. Tired of juggling between a pocket flashlight and a headlamp? Meet the Nebo Slim, your all-in-one solution. This COB LED powerhouse isn't just a flashlight, it's a magnetic marvel. Clip it to your shirt, stick it to a metal surface, or let it hang. It's your versatile lighting buddy. Built tough with aircraft-grade aluminum, it's designed for your everyday needs. Whether you're camping, fishing, or doing some emergency car repairs, the Nebo Slim has your back. And strong magnets in the clip and base mean it sticks to any metal surface. No more fumbling in the dark under your car's hood or searching for a reliable light source. Number 11. UV Steripen. Ever face the dreaded, should I drink this water dilemma? We've all been there, but fear not. Meet the Steripen UV Water Purifier, your ticket to worry-free hydration. This pocket-sized marvel is your trusty sidekick for clean water on the go. Just dip the extension tube into your water source and let Steripen work its magic. It annihilates over 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, making your water safe and pure. With a single charge, you're set for up to 50 treatments and 15,000 liters of water. That's a lot of thirst-quenching adventures. Plus, the simple OLED display keeps you in the know. Number 12. Nuki Smart Lock 3.0. A smart lock that's not just secure, but effortlessly elegant. The Ultion Nuki Smart Lock is redefining home security with its sleek design. It hides discreetly inside your door, ensuring your home's exterior remains as beautiful as ever, while keeping it fortress secure. Don't let security issues tarnish your home's aesthetics. Upgrade to the Ultion Nuki Smart Lock and let it solve your security headaches with a touch of sophistication. Bonus item, Seeds Wearable Instant Pain and Stress Relief Kit. Alright, before we dive into our top 2 picks, let's unveil the surprise gadget. Introducing the Seeds Wearable Instant Pain and Stress Relief Kit. Ever find yourself juggling different therapies for those aches and worries? Well, say hello to the Seeds 3-in-1 Instant Therapy Magic. Thermal therapy, far infrared radiation therapy, and the soothing embrace of pure plant essential oils all in one. It's like a spa day for your body, wherever you are. Feeling fed up with not finding the right solution for your pain and stress? Seeds has your back with 3 temperature levels, catering to any body part or issue. And those 4 graphene heaters? Think of them as precision targeting ninjas for your pain, ensuring it doesn't stand a chance. But hold on, there's more. The aroma patch, packed with 100% natural plant extracts, it works wonders for chronic pain, stress, and helps enhance your overall zen. Number 13, Neck Supporter by Pure Plan. Let's talk about that nagging problem we all have, bad posture. Did you know that over 90% of us are struggling with it? But fear not, because we've got the game changer you've been waiting for, Pure Plan's Neck Supporter. This wonder device boasts a patented sigmoid shape that's like a magic wand for your posture. It's not just a gadget, it's your ticket to a healthier future. By keeping your neck in check at a 0-degree angle, it eases the pressure on your neck and shoulders. And guess what? All it takes is just 15 minutes of wearing it to feel the difference. With the neck supporter, you can finally slay the posture dragon while doing your favorite things: binge watching TV, endless scrolling, or conquering your workday. Number 14, KeybBack. Tired of those so-called ultimate digital backpacks that always seem to miss the mark? Well, say hello to KeybBack, the game changer that's rewriting the backpack rules. A mesmerizing 1044 lamps display that's like wearing your art, a bass-thumping 10-watt speaker that makes the world your stage, and a powerhouse 13,600 mAh power bank with 4 USB sockets. And it's as light as a feather at just 1.9 kilograms. With KeybBack, you're not just making a statement, you're setting the trend. Which of these awesome gadgets do you need in your life? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss more amazing tech.